15 Best Foods to Repair Your Kidneys. When our kidneys are healthy, they perform powerful and important tasks. These two bean-shaped organs filter our blood, remove toxins and excess fluids from our body. They also keep our potassium, sodium and phosphorus levels in check. At the same time, they produce hormones that help to regulate everything from your blood pressure to bone strength. Roughly 1 in 7 American adults has chronic kidney disease, CKD, which can cause waste and fluid buildup in our body. Most people with CKD don't know they have it. Poor eating habits can contribute to CKD. Since certain foods are good for our kidneys, what we eat can help to protect our kidneys. Here are the 15 best foods to repair your kidneys. Number 1. Fatty fish. Fish delivers protein, and when you choose a fatty fish like tuna, salmon or trout, you're also getting omega-3 fatty acids. According to the National Kidney Foundation, omega-3 fats may help reduce fat levels, triglycerides, in the blood and may also lower blood pressure. If you have CKD, you may need to keep an eye on the phosphorus and potassium levels of the fish you choose. Number 2. Cabbage. This nutrient-dense vegetable is low in both potassium and sodium while high in fiber, vitamins C and K, which promotes kidney health. Cabbage can be used in salads, wraps for tacos, sandwiches and more. Number 3. Bell peppers. Like cabbage, bell peppers are packed in lots of good nutrients, with low levels of potassium. Bell peppers are rich in many vitamins and antioxidants, especially vitamin C and various carotenoids. Number 4. Cranberries. Cranberries help to prevent urinary tract infections. While these usually stay in your bladder, they can travel up to your kidney, making kidney problems worse. Fortunately, regularly consuming cranberries can help you avoid this unwelcome situation. Cranberries also have antioxidants that can help to fight inflammation, and they can boost your heart and digestive health. Number 5. Blueberries. With high levels of antioxidants and loads of vitamin C and fiber, blueberries are all around healthy. They can also help to reduce inflammation and support bone health, reversing some of the issues that can come with CKD. Number 6. Dark leafy greens. There are plenty of reasons to turn to dark, leafy greens like spinach or kale. They deliver so many nutrients that they can help you get key vitamins and minerals, plus immunity-boosting benefits. Be mindful that greens can come with a decent amount of potassium. If you have CKD, talk to your doctor before adding more of these foods to your diet. Next, give us a like if this content helps you out in any way. The algorithm would appreciate it. Number 7. Olive oil. Rich in antioxidants and healthy fatty acids, olive oil can boost your overall wellness. A study from Harvard University found that olive oil may lower cholesterol levels and the risk of cardiovascular disease, dementia, and some types of cancer. Beyond all this, it can help you add flavor to dishes without turning to salt or butter. To get more antioxidants, choose unrefined or cold-pressed olive oil that's virgin or extra virgin. Number 8. Garlic. Another antioxidant-rich, inflammation-fighting food, garlic also contains a specific compound called allicin. For people with CKD, allicin, an active compound found in garlic, works just as effectively to help protect kidney health as a prescription drug. If you're looking for the best foods to repair your kidneys, garlic has to make the list. Number 9. Onions. From the same family as garlic, onions give you another excellent and salt-free way to add flavor. Bonus points if you sauté them in olive oil. Onions also deliver important nutrients like vitamins C, B6, manganese and copper. They also contain quercetin, a chemical that can help your body fight cancer, and organic sulfur compounds that can reduce your risk of high blood pressure, stroke and heart disease. Number 10. Cauliflower. Cauliflower brings the crunch, paired with plenty of vitamins C, B6, B9 and K, along with fiber. It also contains compounds your body can use to neutralize certain toxins, a big help when your kidneys aren't doing their best filtration work. Cauliflower does contain some potassium and phosphorus. While it makes the list of foods good for kidneys, people with CKD may want to moderate their intake. Number 11. Egg whites. Although egg yolks are very nutritious, they contain high amounts of phosphorus, making egg whites a better choice for people following a kidney-healthy diet. Egg white are an excellent choice for people undergoing dialysis treatment, who have higher protein needs but need to limit phosphorus. Number 12. Arugula. Arugula is packed with nutrients your body needs like magnesium, iron, calcium and vitamins A, B9, C and K. It's also rich in antioxidants and glucosinolates, which can help our kidneys protect itself against a range of diseases. Number 13. Apples. Apples are a rich source of pectin, a soluble fiber that supports healthy cholesterol and blood sugar levels. According to preliminary research, pectin also boosts important antioxidants in the kidneys. Apples are low in potassium, phosphorus, and sodium, so they are a great choice for a kidney-friendly diet. Number 14. Pomegranates. Pomegranates are sweet and tart fruits that are high in antioxidants. Eating pomegranates may have many health benefits for our kidneys, since they are high in fiber, folate, vitamin K, vitamin E and vitamin B6. They also have 3 times more the amount of antioxidants than green tea, which are shown to reduce inflammation in the kidneys. And finally, number 15. Stay hydrated. Along with eating a healthy diet that includes these kidney-supportive foods, it's also very important to stay hydrated. Water helps the kidneys remove wastes and toxins from your blood in the form of urine. It's important to know how much water your body needs to keep your kidneys fully functional. According to WebMD, 8 glasses is a good rule of thumb. That's a wrap on today's video on the 15 best foods to repair your kidneys. As always, if you're having kidney problems, it is recommended that you consult with a healthcare professional. If you find this video helpful, please give us a like, share and consider subscribing for more health and wellness tips. Thank you for watching.